it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's do a bit of a Fashom mystery box. Fashom, if you are not familiar, for years actually at this point, I have been doing Fashom clothing subscription services. It's where you fill out a profile online, a styling consultant sends you items based on your profile, your size, your price range, all of the above. You try everything on, what you like, you keep and pay for, what you don't care for, you send back. So Fashom has been quiet for a little while, but today they are relaunching their 5 items for $95 box. I did one the last time that they did this, which I feel like was a while ago at this point, but it's 5 things based on a style profile, again, that you fill out on the app. I will link the app down below. For $95, you get to keep every single item. You can do exchanges, by the way. No returns, but you can do exchanges. I do think you pay for shipping on exchanges. I'll list all of the information down below. But today, October 1st, if you're watching this on October 1st, which is when this video goes live, today is day 1 of their relaunch for these boxes. I call them mystery boxes because it's a little bit different than when they did the style boxes back in the day. You could get a preview on the app and say, yes, send me this, no, don't send me that. But this is just 5 items. They show up. It's a surprise, but we love mystery boxes. I also feel like for a while, we went looking for plus size mystery boxes, which are really, really hard to find, but I found them with Fashom. So this video, by the way, is in partnership with Fashom. They did send me this box. I have no idea. Well, I had no idea what was in the box. Now I know because I'm going to style it and show you each piece. But again, I will list all the information, how to sign up, how to get your box, all of that in the description box down below. I am also doing a little giveaway over on Instagram. So my Instagram is linked down below. Make sure to check it out. I have a couple of florals in my box, but I also feel like overall my box, well, for the most part, is a little more like summer, spring styles. So I am challenging myself in this video to style them for like fall transition months. So I hope that you're as excited as I am. I feel like these pieces are actual plus size. They're nice quality. I've styled them really cute, I think, anyways. Enough rambling, let's get into it. This top is the first thing I want to talk about. I love this style. Like the darker florals are very pretty, don't get me wrong, but this style, like cropped with the ruching, this sweetheart neckline, you've got elastic in the shoulders, like a bit of a puffy sleeve. My first thought was very like date night. I love the look of this. So many people right now are also doing these like slightly cropped, like fitted tees with baggy jeans, baggy pants. I opted for a skirt. I will insert a video, one side or the other of my entire outfit so that you can see it. But I chose to do it a little bit more edgy, is that the word? Out of my comfort zone, I guess. But I really, really love it. So I have a corduroy skirt and then these combat boots. And I feel like this is such a cute, easy outfit. You could do like daytime shopping outfit. This could definitely be a date night look, just something a little bit different. If you wanted to make it more dressy, I think you could absolutely add heels to it. You could also add sneakers if the combat boots aren't your thing. But this top, absolutely not see-through whatsoever. Like a square style back, very fitted, but meant to be fitted. So it's snug, but this is my correct size. Did I say it's in a size 2X? I think everything from them is in a size 2X. I'll also list my measurements down below. I say that every single time, but they're a little bit different now. So I will list my measurements down below. Okay, so look number 1, I'm obsessed. Like this was the one I was most excited to put together. Once I figured out the skirt with the boots, I thought sold. Like this is such, it's different for me, right? But I think it's so cute. I mentioned you get 5 things in your box, right? One of mine is this pair of earrings. I love the two-toned metals. I think that's like the mixed metals. I think that's such a cute way if you're unsure. Like my wedding band is silver, but I tend to wear gold jewelry. This kind of ties everything in together. They're super lightweight as well. And I think they're cute enough to go with every single outfit. So 2 of the items, the top and the earrings, this whole look is just really, really pretty. Okay, wait a minute. This is so cute. All right, top was in my Fashom box. Brand is Rain in a size 2X. I will put the brands down below because I forgot to mention that floral top what the brand was. But this, okay, this is perfect for where I live. Yesterday it was like 96 degrees. Okay, we're almost in October, but this is absolutely perfect. So it's a lightweight material. You're open here. I love the high neck. It does have a little button in the back. It's a super flowy material, but the size is perfect. Like it sits so nice here. under the armpits. Like, come on. I just chose to pair this with dark wash, like flare-ish bootcut jeans and a pair of light colored tan boots. This is such an easy way to do fall where I live. My first thought with this outfit was to kind of like billow it out, tuck it in kind of thing. But I feel like with the more fitted bottoms, like this flowy top looks super cute just as is versus tucked in. I love that this lacy looking bit extends all the way around the back. This is so comfortable. Also, I feel like this is slightly a fall color. No, I don't like it tucked in. Also with the same earrings, I'm gonna leave these on the whole time because I think these go with every outfit. I think it's a combination of the top like high neck, but it's open so I don't feel like I look claustrophobic up here, mixed with the French braid, which I did myself, by the way, for the first time ever in my life. Okay, it's not perfect, I know that, but I'm trying to not put so much heat on my hair, side note, so we're doing things a little bit different for as long as I can until I get tired of it and we decide to straighten or curl or something. All right, next item we have is this top. Club Z Collection is the brand, again in a size 2X. I feel like this is going to be so cute with shorts. But again, we're doing a fall transition. Like, I've challenged myself, like I said. So we're doing a pair of like cropped distressed jeans with white sneakers. And again, this is the perfect kind of outfit I need for where I live. I also think it would be cute if it is a little bit chillier where you live. Some booties with like a cardigan or a trench style jacket would be really pretty too. I love stripes. We know the last how many videos that I've filmed recently have been with stripes. I'm into them. And this is such a cute way to do them. I like the tiers of this. You've got a seam here and a seam here and then this like ruffle bit at the bottom. It is a 3/4 length sleeve with a button so you can roll them. But I like the minimal look here, like no collar, just a few buttons. From the back, it's the same style. The fit on this is just so comfortable. No notes on this outfit. I think everything about it is cute. Again, the same earrings. Match everything. This one is one of my favorites. I think all of them are really cute, but this is a very typical Taren outfit. Like, it's very much in my comfort zone. The style of things, like y'all know I tend to go for things that aren't super fitted. Like, this style is perfect. It's comfortable. What material is this? 100% cotton. I think it's nice. Do I take it back? Is this my favorite? Like, I feel like all of these are so cute, but this, like with the boots, once you see the little video, brand is Sirenlily in a size 2X. It's black with like little white ditzy flowers on it. I think it's such a cute fall floral dress. I also like the little bit of a slit. It's not high, it's just like a little bit of a slit on the side. This is more midi length, it is lined. This is such a nice quality dress. You have smocking like here, like at my natural waist, if not a little bit lower, all the way up. You've got a little bit of a mesh style puff sleeve with elastic here, also elastic where it sits on your arm. That smocking goes all the way around, like it goes all the way down here. This is so cute! The boots I think are such a nice touch. They're a light tan color. They're actually the same boots I was wearing with the jeans and that sleeveless top. Again, the same earrings. This is such a lightweight material, but I like that it's lined. You've got the smocking. This again would be cute with like a long duster style cardigan on it. It's just a nice like way to do a fall transition. Think about family pictures. Like if you have something planned, something like this would be such a perfect look. Also with my hair in a French braid, like cowboy boots with this, like in a field, would be really, really pretty. Also the earrings, they match with every single outfit. And that is a wrap on this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, you know the drill. A direct link to get the 5 for $95 box from Fashom is listed in the description box down below. Also, there's no shipping on it. I don't know if I mentioned that. You can do exchanges, they don't do returns, and it is a true mystery box. You do fill out a profile on the app, so they kind of have an idea of what you like, what size you need, all of that kind of stuff. But really, when it shows up, you don't know what's in it. Also, if you've never downloaded the app, created a profile, anything like that with Fashom, do it now. You get a $10 credit towards your next box. So again, all that information is down below. I know it's a lot to take in. Thank you to Fashom for sending this box over. I work with them all the time. Like when there's an option to work with Fashom, I always do. I feel like it's the most affordable. When I was doing style boxes, for sure, the most affordable boxes. And this is just such a fun thing to get, like a mystery box with 5 pieces. Mystery boxes are just fun to me. Okay, that's enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget about the Instagram giveaway. My Instagram handle, like page link, is down below. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.